How to make any celebration sparkle with pomegranate and Coca-Cola. I call it a sparkling pomegranate Coke mocktail, a refreshing twist for any celebration. Non-alcoholic drinks are becoming increasingly popular for various occasions, offering a refreshing alternative for those who prefer not to consume alcohol. One such delightful concoction is the sparkling pomegranate Coke mocktail, which combines the familiar fizz of Coke with the sweet tanginess of pomegranate syrup. This versatile drink can be enjoyed with or without ice and is perfect for any celebration, providing a burst of flavor and a touch of elegance without the need for alcohol. Making a sparkling pomegranate Coke. Mocktail is simple and allows for creativity in adjusting the flavors to suit your preferences. Below, we've outlined 4 different ways to prepare this delightful drink. Ingredients you will need: 1 can of Coca-Cola, or any cola of your choice, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup, ice cubes, fresh pomegranate seeds or mint leaves for garnish. Instructions. For number 1, your basic sparkling pomegranate Coke. Pour the Coca-Cola into a glass. Add 2 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup. Stir gently to combine. Garnish with fresh pomegranate seeds or mint leaves if desired. Serve immediately. Number 2. Sparkling pomegranate Coke on the rocks. Fill a glass with ice cubes. Pour the Coca-Cola over the ice. Add 2 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup. Stir gently. Garnish with fresh pomegranate seeds or mint leaves if desired. Enjoy the refreshing combination of flavors with the chill of the ice. Number 3. Sparkling pomegranate Coke. Slushy. In a blender, combine Coca-Cola, pomegranate syrup, and a handful of ice cubes. Blend until smooth and slushy. Pour into a glass. Garnish with fresh pomegranate seeds or mint leaves if desired. Sip and savor the icy goodness. Number 4. Sparkling pomegranate Coke. Float. Scoop vanilla or coconut ice cream into a glass. Pour Coca-Cola over the ice cream. Drizzle with pomegranate syrup. Garnish with fresh pomegranate seeds or mint leaves if desired. Indulge in this decadent treat that combines fizzy soda with creamy sweetness. Not just your regular celebration, it's a celebration with a twist. The sparkling pomegranate Coke. Mocktail isn't just for casual gatherings. It can elevate any celebration without the need for alcohol. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, bridal shower, or holiday gathering, this mocktail adds a touch of sophistication and flavor to the occasion. Serve it in elegant glasses, garnished with fresh fruit or herbs for a festive presentation. You can even create a do-it-yourself mocktail bar where guests can customize their drinks with different syrups, fruits, and garnishes, making it a fun and interactive experience for everyone. With its simplicity, versatility, and burst of flavor, the sparkling pomegranate Coke mocktail is sure to be a hit at any celebration, providing a delightful alternative to alcoholic beverages. Whether enjoyed with ice or without, this refreshing drink is perfect for toasting special moments and creating lasting memories with friends and family. Cheers to celebrating without the alcohol. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.